Schneider from Rowan University. I am going to teach you how a rotary cam works in a ballpoint pen. As you can see from this illustration, we have a ballpoint pen with two fixed positions that move a slider with the help of a spring. This green part of the housing is what you see on the pen as the tube. This slider will have the spring in a semi-compressed position, and the spring will force this slider up against the top of this housing here. Now if we move on to our next illustration, when you click the pen down to the fully compressed position, this slider will then be pushed down, and then because of this housing over here, will slide into place at the bottom of the bottom housing. Now when you let go, it'll come up, and what causes that is the spring will release, and this slider will transition across the top housing and shift into place. Now this revolves 360 degrees around the entire pen, which allows for this process to be continuous, and that's how the cam works.